After a stroke, incorporating regular exercise into the recovery plan is crucial. However, it's important to note that not all exercises are created equal. Different types of exercises serve different purposes and can help stroke survivors regain specific abilities. Here are some types of exercises that are typically recommended for stroke recovery. 1. Aerobic exercises. These exercises are designed to increase heart rate and improve cardiovascular health. They can include activities like walking, cycling, or swimming. Regular aerobic exercise can help manage weight, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall stamina. 2. Strength training. After a stroke, muscle weakness is common. Strength training exercises, such as lifting weights or resistance band exercises, can help rebuild muscle strength and improve balance and coordination. 3. Flexibility exercises. Strokes often lead to muscle stiffness and reduced range of motion. Flexibility exercises, such as stretching and yoga, can help alleviate these issues and improve overall mobility. 4. Balance and coordination exercises. These exercises are designed to improve stability and reduce the risk of falls. They can include activities like Tai Chi or balance-focused yoga poses. 5. Functional exercises. These exercises focus on improving the ability to perform daily tasks, such as dressing, eating, or walking. They often involve practicing the specific task or using assistive devices. 6. Cognitive exercises. Strokes can also impact cognitive functions like memory, attention, and problem-solving. Cognitive exercises, such as puzzles or memory games, can help improve these skills. Remember, it's important for each stroke survivor to have an individualized exercise plan that takes into account their specific needs, abilities, and